Hello guys, what is up? It is a beautiful day. I have my face caked on. We love that. Today is very exciting because my friend and I, my roommate Maggie, we decided to do a little in-house photo shoot, and we've been doing a lot of these lately. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me. My Instagram is @KateEggy, and then my media page where I do all my photography is @KateDMedia, so that'll be right here. And today I just had this thought. Everyone's into like the neon signs and retro and all that kind of stuff, so I want to do like a super retro shoot today with like a lot of pink, and maybe not even retro is the word. I have to wait and show you guys what we're doing, but I'm gonna take you guys through the whole process. I already did my hair and makeup, big hair, bold makeup, and I'm about to go do Maggie's, and yeah, let's go do it. If you guys haven't met my roommates yet, this is Peyton. Hello. And this is Maggie. Hi. And we have a lot of animals and a crazy house. Such a little, why are you out of breath? He's like, I'm tired. He's basically a human. We are doing Maggie's makeup right now. We just did her foundation and bronzer. And we're sitting like right in front of a light. I do have the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette. I haven't used it since like I got it. I've worn it to a couple like sorority mixers, but the colors are insane. So that's what I use for mine.
They're coming waves across the shore. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. We could be together. You're the one I'm looking for. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. I can hear your laughter coming waves across the shore. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. We could be together. You're the one I'm looking for. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could, maybe you could.
We're doing lashes right now. These lashes I got from a TikTok. I literally ordered them off Amazon because of TikTok. And then the ones that I'm wearing are from my Miss A haul. So the outer part is like the Jeffree Star Hot Pink from the Beauty Killer palette. And then we did like a cut crease, a half cut crease, and then put some like clear lip gloss, but it didn't really work very well. So then we did a powder that I got from my first Miss A haul on there. So it's very cute, and I think it's gonna look really cute on camera. So let's see. So update, she's looking fine. Look at her. Ow! Ow! She looks so, oh my god, I don't even know. We're gonna give her the same color that I'm wearing. It is the Under the Tree Kylie color. I got it with the Christmas set. So we're gonna do that, but we're gonna put like a gloss on top of hers to make it a little bit more like shimmery, I guess. I feel like mine's a little bit more intense, like my look, and then yours is just like more like dreamy. I don't really know, but we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna get outfits, and then we're gonna shoot because we're running out of time. So we're gonna be doing this shoot in Maggie's room because I'm worried about too much lighting would make it like not the look we're going for. I look naked. So I have my pink and blue wall. It's literally a piece of wood. So we're gonna prop this up, and then I'll show you what I got to go over. It's really cool. We got everything put together. Our makeup is done, our hair is done. We're gonna do this. So I'll show you guys our outfits during shooting. I'm just wearing like a tube top, and then I'm gonna be wearing my blush and Josie earrings. They're just really cute and simple, and they're handmade, so go follow her. And then I just have this big white fluffy coat that I'm gonna use. And then Maggie has a cute little tie shirt that's really cute. Let me show you guys what props we're using because this is really exciting. Okay, so this is what we have. I got this love sign, this find your fire sign, and then the peach sign all light up. And then we have some suckers, these cool pink glasses. This is my leather ottoman that we might sit on. And then this is like an iridescent table cover that I got at Walmart for like $3. Some glitter. I have an idea for this. I don't know if it's gonna work out, but we'll see. I think I'm gonna tie this around my neck, and then this is like an iridescent film. So I think what we're gonna do is tape this over my ring light to see if we can give it like a pink effect, and then we have the pink backdrops. All right, y'all, this setup literally took us so long, but we're so excited. So we ended up not using the board. We just taped, oh, let's see if we can get it to focus, the iridescent to the back of the wall. So this is like the tablecloth. It's hard to see on this camera. And then I have these 3 little light up signs. And then we have this cute pink rug, and then my Paris throw. So let's see what we can get, right?
I want a bone.
That's a oh no!
I said the word.
Oh no!
You want a bone?
Oh
Yeah. You want a bone?
Mia
You
said.
want one, Mia?
Now we have to go with. We've only done a couple test shots, but I have to show you guys what we're getting. My manual's not really working, so I am shooting in automatic. But oh my gosh, it's exactly what I want. I don't even know how I'm gonna edit these because they're so freaking perfect. Like, look at this.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
Yeah, that's freaking cool. All right, let's get into it.
Kiss my little baby girl is in need. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still.
All right, we're literally trying to shoot right now, and this is happening every second. Ma'am, you're gonna have to leave your mom alone for 2 seconds. Thank you.
Gotta go, Mama.
She's like, no. Oh, she's so cute. Dogs love this rug. They love it. I promise you. Doesn't she look so cute? I love this. I literally have like Doja Cat vibes right now. I have no idea what we're gonna get from it, but we're gonna try anyway. So we just finished with Maggie's pictures. If you wanna see hers, check out her Instagram. I will link all of her stuff down below. And then of course, check out mine to see that as well. I don't know what I'm gonna be posting, but I know I'm gonna be posting something on my main. My eyelashes is like, hello. My other roommate Peyton is about to come up. She is a photographer as well, and she shoots with a Sony like mine, only a better version. And then we're gonna see what they turn out like. All right, y'all, couple things. So I'm literally spitting glitter because we did a couple shoots where I had glitter on my tongue, and now I'm doing like Hubba Bubba so I can try to get a bubble. And we got Peyton behind the camera. You know, we'll see how this turns out. Try our best.
Pretty good.
Alright guys, so it literally took me like 800 years to break down everything and put it all away, and I'm still spitting up sparkles, so I don't know if that was the smartest move. The only things I will say, now that I've done it, I wouldn't put the iridescent film over the halo light. I have seen TikToks where they use that iridescent film over the camera to give like a vintage effect, so if you guys are interested in that, definitely get some of that iridescent film. Maybe not the pink one, I just got it because it was on sale, so I was like, let's try this out. So I think I'm gonna have to use that for a different shoot. And then everything else worked really freaking well. Oh my god, my lipstick is like coming off. But yeah, so that's all for it. I'm going to work on editing the photos. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys are interested in things like this. I'm always posting different content, it's never the same. But if you guys like these behind the scenes of photo shoots, comment down below, let me know that this is something you like, and I'll continue to do them. So I will see you guys next time. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and have a great rest of your week. Bye.